Hey guys, so I've been experimenting with Claude, which is Anthropic's AI coding agent, for finding security bugs in Android applications. And honestly, it's been really impressive. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and I'm also giving away the methodology file I use for free. So stick around for that. The way it works is I'll set it up, go grab a hot chocolate, come back, and it's already mapped out the attack surface, trace data flow, and written up findings with proof of concepts ready for me to run. Like, it does it in 10 minutes what used to take me hours of manually grabbing through decompiled code. Let me show you what I mean. So here's my project folder, the APK and my cloud.md methodology file. That's all you need. We then ask Claude to audit this APK using my methodology. And we're off. What you're seeing here is Claude running JetX and APK2 to first decompile the application, then systematically working through every phase of the audit. Manifest analysis, grabbing for vulnerable patterns, and tracing data flows from source to sink. Now the reason it's actually useful is this file over here, cloud.md. This is the file that tells Claude exactly what to do in an Android application audit. 4 phases: attack surface mapping, grab triage, data flow tracing, and confidence classification. It follows OWASP Mobile Top 10. And the key thing is, it won't write up a finding unless it can actually show you how the attack works end to end. After about 10 minutes, the audit is done. Looks like a number of weaknesses were found. I'm going to pick one finding to walk you through. This one here is nasty because it's so simple. The application has a deep link that anyone can trigger by clicking a malicious link or through a malicious application on the same device to silently change where your login credentials get sent. Here is the vulnerable code, the data flow, and the proof of concept that Claude generated. Let's try it. I'll first copy the command and then swap the URL for our own server. I'll then copy the ADB command into the terminal and then log in as the victim. Let's head back to our server. And there it is, email and password sitting there on our server. One command and that's all it took. Now here's the thing I want to be honest with you about. Claude found this, but if you showed this output to someone who didn't understand Android security, they would be completely lost. What's a deep link? Why does it matter where the URL is stored? How do you even explain this to a client? The AI gives you the output, but you still need the knowledge to do something with it. And that's really the whole point, which is why I built the Android App Hacking Mastery course. Not just to teach you AI tools, but the fundamentals that make you dangerous with or without AI. The link is in the description below. And the cloud.md file I use today, that's completely free. Just drop your email in the link below and I'll send it straight to you. Anyway, that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.